and welcome to a world of the sweetest crochet dresses for little baby girls. Today, we're sharing a collection of delicate, charming, and beautifully handmade dresses that are perfect for your tiny princess. Let's get inspired by these adorable creations. Look at this darling crochet dress, soft and cozy, made with love for your little one. A tiny dress with delicate patterns that feel like a gentle hug. This sweet little dress flows perfectly, perfect for twirls and giggles. Handcrafted with care, this dress is as precious as your baby's smile. Soft yarn and gentle stitches make this dress extra cuddly. A tiny princess dress, charming and perfect for special little moments. This handmade crochet dress is full of warmth and sweetness. Look at the delicate details. Every stitch made with love and care. A cozy little dress, soft to the touch, and perfect for tiny adventures. This sweet crochet dress brings comfort and cuteness together beautifully. Handmade elegance shines through in every little stitch of this dress. This darling dress is simple, yet full of charm and grace. Soft textures, gentle colors, and handmade love make this dress magical. A tiny crochet dress, perfect for twirling, playing, and smiling. Every stitch tells a story of care, warmth, and sweetness. This little princess dress is cozy, delicate, and absolutely adorable. Handmade with love, this dress is perfect for your precious little one. Soft, airy, and gentle, this crochet dress feels like a little hug. A sweet little dress that brings magic to every tiny moment. This crochet creation is made to celebrate your little girl's beauty and charm. Delicate patterns and soft stitches make this dress extra special. A tiny handmade dress that's as precious as your baby's giggles. Soft and charming, this dress is perfect for photos and memories. Every little stitch shows care, love, and attention to detail. This darling crochet dress is a tiny treasure for your little princess. Thank you for exploring these sweet little crochet dresses with us. Which one melted your heart the most? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more adorable handmade creations. Keep creating and sharing love, one stitch at a time.